All In is a great opportunity and stage for showing what research can do for the practice, so transforming research and so the work of scientists into practical applications. And in particular today I was talking about the impact of artificial intelligence in healthcare.
IVADO Labs as a solution provider of artificial intelligence really benefits from being able to network with the Canadian ecosystem of both manufacturing companies like the panel we were just on, but also in the broader sectors of supply chain.
It would be really good for the Canadian industry to really take advantage of what has been developed and incubated in Canada and adopt that such that the economic landscape and industry in general can then be lifted by that technology.
We created a solution that prevents the worst case scenario, which is having empty shelves at stores.
Our solution is called Planomind. It revolutionized the aisle, and we combine the power of AI optimization and also the art of merchandising, and that creates these optimal and custom layouts that you can implement very easily.
Investir dans l'intelligence artificielle, c'est d'investir dans notre compétitivité. Investir dans l'intelligence artificielle, c'est investir dans notre productivité. C'est un outil de croissance économique et tout ça afin de faire que le Canada soit au cœur de la nouvelle économie. Alors, saisissons l'opportunité et ensemble, faisons du Canada un leader de l'économie de demain.